My name is Sonam Frasi. I would like to ask you a question on Tibet. What is China afraid of to keep Tibet in such a tight control and Tibetans in such an inhuman existence in our own country?
I can assure you, during your lifetime and mine, Tibet will always be part of China.
Why are you so insistent
on
ruling places that don't want to be ruled by China?
No, Tibet is part of
Tibet,
China.
Taiwan, they're not happy in Xinjiang.
Tibet being part of China doesn't depend on whether you like it or not. It's a megatrend of our time.
A megatrend.
And you need to accept that before you will feel free to go back to China.
You sound like you're threatening the man.
No, I'm not.
You said you have to accept that before you can go back.
I will go with you to Tibet.
We're going to go to Tibet and we're going to talk to all the Tibetans.
And possibly
I
also
can go to
Taiwan.
Tibet, but the guy who's from there can't go there. You sound ludicrous when you say this stuff, I'm sorry to say.